Hello and welcome to Net Computer Project. It's been a while since I created a video. In this video, I'm going to take you through the projects that we have in our team. This is the 2025 KCSE project for computer studies. Basically, it's a system to track students in the school and their respective clubs and other activities that the club engages in. I'll open the folder that has my documentation and the databases. So I'll start with going through several documentation. I have just a key reminder that all these samples are available on our website. I'll leave the link to the website in the description, and you'll get a 10% discount for being the first 10 people who will purchase this project. So this is the documentation. As you can see, all the key sections are available. From the table of content, you can see we have all chapters from the first chapter to the 7th chapter, which is the system review chapter. Everything is well documented, detailed. We have the table of figures. We have the beginning of the project. And don't forget that we have this catchy logo over here. And this is unique and professional from our team. Everything that you will need for the project is included in this documentation. So let's go through another sample. As you can see, I have several samples over here. So this is the second sample, and as you can see, it's unique on its own. There won't be cases of similarities, plagiarism, or duplications for the project. They are unique to each sample. Also, this one has its own unique features and components of each section. Let's go through the last one for the documentation because I didn't want to make this video so long. I'll just go through the third documentation so that I go through some databases also, so I can see all the items that we have in our team. Yeah, so this is the documentation. As you can see, it's professionally well worked out and everything is okay. Everything is included and it's available on our website at a very cheap price and a student affordable price. Just to show you the documentation, but I'll just want to take some 2 minutes to take you through some of the database samples that we have. I'll create a separate video for the databases, but for this, I'll just take you through some database samples that we have. I'll start off with the first one. So we have this beautiful login form here. It's a mobile-like login form and it's just created using MS Access. There is no complexity here. It's a very, very simple system. If you want to create your own user, you can just click on this login label and it will take you to the login form. You can click it again and yeah, now you can see it's add user. Now you can click to add a new user. So if you type your details here, it will automatically create a user for you. So I'll type the existing user, which is the username is username, the password is password. Then I'll click on the login button. As you can see, we have this beautiful pop-up here that is welcoming us, the system name. We have this little dashboard showing us the number of members that we have. It's showing us the total club funds, but this is from the records that I added. I spent a lot than collected, but if you add your users, the prices, the total club fund will automatically update itself. And then we have list of all clubs. You can also search the club by its name. So you can just type the club name here. And then for the patrons also, you can add a new patron. You fill in the details, you choose their picture for the profile picture, and yeah, there you have them. I can also edit an existing patron by renaming their name, maybe to say patron name 2. And then when I save it, it shows me that patron has been updated. Then immediately the patron name gets updated on the UI. Another thing is for the leaders. These are the club leaders for different clubs. You can switch the clubs, and yeah, all these features are available. You can add as students, so you can enter their details here, and then the club. You just choose the club name, then their role, and then you click on the join button. Automatically, the student gets added to that club. So that's one system. We have another one. So all these systems have been created using MS Access. You can see this beautiful other one. You can click on the sign up. This will bring the sign up form where you can create a new user, or you can just click on the login and use these credentials provided down here. So for the username, I'll use admin at victoryschool.com. That's just a made up email address. It's not a realistic stuff. Then I click on continue. Then if the email address is right, it should just show the password field. Then I'll type password, which is just password. And then I'll click on login. And then, yeah, we have this beautiful dashboard again. We have this user interface where you can add a student, you can add a patron, a user, You can see the members list, you can see the active members, the past members, fund raised by the clubs, you can donate, you can edit, you can delete, you can see the activities, the clubs, the reports. Yeah, all these are just available on our site. So just visit our site and you'll get all this experience by yourself. So thank you for watching to this end, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll be going into the databases in detail and show you the key components of our databases. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.